Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon to all of you. What's wrong with the class? Why are you not replying? Why are you not responding? Everybody put your cameras on, open your cameras. I'm going to take an oral test today. This is for your revision. All of you have to open your cameras and you're going to raise your hand. Whosoever will know the answer will raise his or her hand. Is it clear to all of you? No, yes, no, no, huh? And those who cannot open the cameras, please, you can leave the class right now. Because it is compulsory for all of you to raise your hands and show it to me that you know the answer. Only then I will decide who will answer. Noel, Pratishtha, Karthik, Ritvik, hurry up. It's already 5 minutes up. So shall I start removing? I will write only Advika and Noel's name in attendance today. Only 2 students are present in my class. Okay.
I have also opened my...
Karthik is also present now. Pratishtha and Ritvik, be ready to be removed in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
I am taking oral test. It is an oral revision test. Or what you have to do is you just have to raise your hand if you know the answer. I am going to call out your name and let you know who will answer the question. Is it fine?
Ma'am, what is the question?
I haven't started the question because I am first of all making you ready for the test. Everybody open your cameras. The first and foremost requirement for this test is you have to open your cameras. Adeshika, Ritvik, hurry up, beta. You will not immediately answer. You will only raise your hand. Is that fine? Okay. The first question is, ready? Everybody is ready? The first question is, the dash islands are situated in the Arabian Sea. Only raise your hand. The dash islands are situated. Yes? What, beta?
Can we repeat the question?
Dash islands are in the Arabian Sea. I can't see so many children's hands because their cameras are not open.
बना ले फिर आपको खिला देंगे ठीक है
Pratyush, Shreyansh, Ritvik, Lakshay. Karthik has opened the camera and I can only see the ceiling of his house. Karthik, your house ceiling is going to participate in the test. Okay, Advika, where are you?
Washroom.
Advika. So I can only see Adeshika, Noel, Karthik. Okay, Karthik will answer this question. Yes, Karthik. Yes, what is the answer, Karthik? Let us know.
Ma'am, I have gone to the washroom so that I cannot listen the question. Ma'am, please
Okay,
repeat.
the question is, the dash islands are situated in the Arabian Sea. Which islands are situated in the Arabian Sea? Karthik doesn't know the answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Pratishtha is going to tell. Pratishtha.
Ma'am, Lakshadweep.
Very nice. Karthik, which islands are situated in the Arabian Sea?
No. Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep Islands are situated in the Arabian Sea. The next question is, The Hirakud Dam is built on which river? The Hirakud Dam is built on which river?
And please repeat the name.
The Hirakud Dam is built on which river? Okay, Shaurya is going to tell the answer.
Ma'am, can I give the answer? I don't.
Shaurya, what is the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell? Great River Mahanadi.
Very nice. Hirakud Dam is built on Mahanadi River. Very good. Okay. Next question is, dash city is famous for oranges. Which city is famous for oranges? Yes, Advika Gupta.
Ma'am, Nagpur.
Very nice. It's Nagpur that is famous for oranges. Okay. Which state produces the delicious variety of Langda mangoes?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Which state produces a delicious variety of Langda mangoes?
Uttar Pradesh.
Karthik, did I call out your name? Why did you answer? It is in which state? Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am.
In the state of Uttar Pradesh, we have Langda mangoes. Okay, the next question is, the dash hills are in the northwest of the peninsular plateau. Which hills are in the northwest of the peninsular plateau? Okay, Noel. Noel is going to tell.
Ma'am, Aravali Hills.
Very nice. It is the Aravali Hills that are in the northwest of peninsular plateau. Then, the Central Highlands have dash and dash plateaus. The Central Highlands have which two plateaus?
Malwa and Chota Nagpur.
Yes, very good. It is the Malwa and the Chota Nagpur plateau that are found in the Central Highlands. And which plateau is found in the southern peninsular region? Apurva, which plateau is found?
Deccan Plateau.
Very nice. It is the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is found there. Okay. Name a place that is known for its steel production. Name a city or a town that is known for its steel production. Okay, Noel.
Ma'am, Bhilai.
Huh?
Bhilai.
Bhilai. And any other place anyone knows?
Ma'am, Jamshedpur.
Jamshedpur. Very good. And also Bokaro. Bokaro. Very good. And
Ranchi.
yes. What about Naman, Lakshay, Shreyansh, Pratyush? Why are you not putting your cameras on? Yes. Next question is, which state was carved out of Bihar? Which state was carved out of Bihar? Why are you telling the answer? Let me take your name. Raise your hands. Naman, which state was carved out, beta? From what was my question? Which state was carved out from?
From Bihar?
Bihar. Which state was carved out from Bihar in 2000?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Karthik will tell.
Assam.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell?
Ma'am, Assam is.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Can I tell?
Ma'am.
Okay, Ritvik, do you know the answer? Okay, Apurva will tell the answer.
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. And from Assam, it was which state that was carved out? From Assam also we have studied. A state was carved out. Which was that? Noel.
Ma'am, Nagaland.
Was it Nagaland that was carved out? Was it Nagaland, children? Or it was
Can I
Meghalaya?
tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, Meghalaya. Ma'am, it is Meghalaya. Ma'am, it is Meghalaya.
No, there was some state.
Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh.
We are missing out something.
Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh.
No, it was no, children. There was no such thing. There was Sikkim that was included as the 8th state. That's all.
There are no Sikkim.
Sikkim was included as the 8th state of the in these 7 sister states. And from Assam, okay, this is the one. When India gained independence, its northeastern region had only 3 states, Assam, Tripura, and Manipur. Assam, Tripura, and Manipur. Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh were carved out later from Assam. 4 states were carved out from Assam. We have forgotten this chapter because we are not doing. We did it in the previous UTs. We prepared it for the previous UTs. Now we have all forgotten. Look at page number 96. It is given on 96. 4 states were carved out from the state of Assam. Okay. Then next question from this chapter that comes is, in which state is Pongal celebrated? Pongal festival is celebrated in which state? Who will tell? Adeshika. Adeshika will tell the answer.
I'm Kerala.
But it is not given, beta, in your book that it is celebrated in Kerala. In your book, where is it given? That it is the main festival, important festival. Who will tell apart from Noel, Apurva, and Shaurya? Who will tell the answer? Advika, do you know the answer? It is celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu. Where? It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Okay, the next question is, in which state do we find the filigree work? In which state do we find filigree work? It is what? Silver work also. It is silver work. Silver filigree work comes from which state? Only 2 children know the answer. Huh? Is it? Rest are not studying, I believe. Yes, Shaurya, tell.
Ma'am, Odisha.
Orissa. Filigree work is famous from Orissa. I even showed you pictures, beta. I shared screen with you. Do you remember? While teaching this chapter, I had shared screen with you of what filigree work is. Next. Where are the diamond mines located? You can tell the state or you can tell the name of the place where it is located. Where are the diamond mines located? Riddhi Agarwal, do you know the answer? Riddhi Agarwal? No. Adeshika, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Children, you are going to get question paper from in between only. Please don't depend on the questions, fill in the blanks and exercises given at the back. As it is, the question paper is just an MCQ, right? So in that, be prepared with everything that comes from in between the chapter. The next question is, Ganesh
Ma'am,
Chaturthi
what is the
is
next?
Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of which state? The most popular festival of which state? Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, Advika Gupta.
Ma'am, Maharashtra.
Very nice. It is from Maharashtra. Where is Lake Chilka? In which state does Lake Chilka lie? Yes, Naman, tell.
Odisha.
Very nice. In the state of Orissa. Which is an important port town of Kerala? Which is an important port town of Kerala? Yes. Who will tell? Who will tell? Let me see. Riddhi Agarwal.
Ma'am, Cochin.
Very nice. It's Cochin. Okay, then next is Kathakali is a dance from which state? Kathakali dance form
Ma'am,
belongs
can I
to
tell?
which state? Yes, Adeshika.
Ma'am, Kerala.
Kerala. Very nice. Very good. The next question is Chhat Puja is done in which state? Chhat Puja. Yes, Ritvik Arora.
Ma'am, Bihar.
Very good. It is done in Bihar. Okay. What is a local or a regional language also called? A local or a regional language is also called what? Lakshay, can you answer?
Ma'am, DRX.
Very nice. Dialect. It is called a dialect. Very good. Okay. People wear dash clothes on special occasions. What kind of clothes do... No, don't answer without my asking you. Okay, Naman. What kind of clothes do people wear on special occasions?
Uniform.
Huh?
Uniform.
No, beta, not uniform. Do you wear uniform on special occasions? Okay, Lakshay, you tell.
Ma'am, traditional.
Very good. People wear traditional clothes on special occasions. Then, which two languages are used as official languages for correspondence?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Which languages are used for
Ma'am, can I tell?
correspondence? Okay, Riddhi Agarwal will tell.
Ma'am, please repeat question. Ma'am, English and Hindi.
The question was, which two languages are official languages for correspondence in India?
Tell?
Yes, Karthik, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell? English and Hindi.
Very good. It's English and Hindi. Okay. Then I have, in which state is Saraswati Puja done or famous? Saraswati Puja is famous from which state? Okay, Noel will tell.
Ma'am, West Bengal.
Yes, it's West Bengal. Saraswati Puja is done there. Then, which state is this associated with? Bihu. Bihu is related to which state and what is it? What is Bihu? Okay, Apurva.
Ma'am, Assam.
And what is Bihu?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Ritvik, you tell. What is Bihu?
Ma'am, folk dance of Assam.
Very nice. It is a folk dance. And it is related to which state? It is related to the state of
Ma'am, Assam.
Assam. Okay, next that comes is the Constitution of India has how many scheduled languages? The Constitution of India has how many scheduled languages? Okay, Riddhi Agarwal.
Ma'am, 22.
Very good, beta. Very nice. 22. Okay. Onam, Navroz, Gudi Padwa, and Poila Boishakh are the names of what? They are different kinds of names of what? Okay, Noel.
Ma'am, of festival?
Ma'am, of New Year.
Of New Year. Onam, Navroz, Gudi Padwa, Poila Boishakh are names of New Years for different communities in India. Okay? Then the next question is, what is a staple diet? What is a staple
Ma'am,
diet?
can I
What is
tell?
staple food? Okay, Pratishta Singh will tell.
Ma'am, staple diet is a diet that we eat regularly.
Yes, on routine basis. Anybody else can answer? Okay, Apurva, what do you have to say?
Ma'am, a staple diet is a diet which we eat on routine.
Yes, which is eaten on routine basis is a staple diet. Okay. Then next, name a few national festivals celebrated in India. Name a few national festivals celebrated in India. Okay. Shaurya will tell.
Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti.
Yes, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals of our country. Where is the famous cellular jail? Where is it located? In which island?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Noel, tell.
Ma'am, in Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
And also in Andaman and Nicobar Island, which island? In Andaman or Nicobar? Tell, Noel, do you know?
Nicobar.
No, it's in Andaman. See, the famous cellular jail where prisoners were kept during the British Raj is in the Andamans. Okay, you have to remember this thing that this cellular jail Kala Pani was in Andamans. What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Who will tell the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Lakshay will tell.
Ma'am, Port Blair.
Very good. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Very good. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Who will tell the capital of Tamil Nadu? Okay, Noel.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, the capital of Tamil Nadu is. Ma'am, can I tell?
What happened, Noel? Why are you not telling the capital?
Ma'am, please can I tell?
Oh,
Ma'am, can I tell?
okay, Ritvik.
Can I
Ritvik
tell?
tell.
The question.
Ritvik tell.
Ma'am, Chennai.
Very good. What
Ma'am, Chennai.
happened, Noel? You said I will
Chennai.
answer and you did
Ma'am,
not
I
speak.
little bit for.
Okay, you forgot. No problem. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. What is the capital of Karnataka? Who will tell the capital of Karnataka, the state of Karnataka?
Ma'am, I. Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I
Okay,
tell?
Pratishtha. Pratishtha Singh will tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
Bengaluru.
tell? Bangalore.
Bangalore. Yes, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Okay, children, now do one thing. Get ready to type in the chat box. I'm giving you a question. You have to type the answer in the chat box. Listen to the question very carefully. Write a note on the island regions of India. A note means you have to write 5 to 6 lines, 5 to 6 points on the island region of India. Write a short note on the island region of India. Let me see who types the answer first. Children, I have received answer only from Noel and Lakshay. What about others? Only 2 minutes are left for the class to get over. It is going to get over at 1:40.
Ma'am, we are typing.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Please check my.
Very nice, very good. Good, Karthik. You can add on a little more about these islands.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, children. Time to say bye to all of you. The class is over.
Bye, ma'am.